Hello everyone from KaraQFile.com. Today's vehicle is a BMW 520i. We will be performing a performance upgrade on this vehicle, specifically a Stage 1 application. Before starting the process, we will connect it to a diagnostic device to check if there are any issues with the car. We connect it to the fault detection device and start checking if there is a fault in our vehicle. Great! We are now sure there is no problem with our vehicle, so we can read our car file and upload it to KaraQFile.com. We have installed our device on the vehicle. Now we can connect to the ECU. As you can see, we have removed the engine control unit, so we can start connecting it. And we started the reading process. Now we upload the file we have read to the KaraQFile.com site. Meanwhile, we must make sure we have entered all the information correctly here. And now we upload our file by dragging and dropping it into the system. Now let's wait for our file to arrive. We're not rushing because KaraQFile.com prepares the most professional file for us, and it's very interesting that we can usually get the files within 20 to 25 minutes. Great! Our file has arrived, and now we are ready to write our file. Now we can successfully write the file to the car. And our writing process is complete. Our car is now faster. That's all for our process. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a comment and don't forget to like it.